Yo boys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about how I make money to cover prices for not only all my bikes, but also all my mods as well. There's a really simple thing you can do if you're a teen. I think the ideal age range to do this is from about 12 years old to about 17. If you're a little younger or a little older, you could probably get away with it as well. And what's great about this technique as opposed to others is it doesn't require a ton of money to get started. Actually, you probably have everything you need already at your house, and if you don't have any of this stuff, it's all cheap to get. So what I'm going to be telling you guys about today is cleaning cars for money. Basically, you and maybe one of your friends are going to go house to house offering to clean cars for $15 per car. The reason we charge $15 a car is because most people carry $20 bills, so they'll probably just give you a $20, you'll get a $5 tip, and that's really easy to split, especially if you're doing it with a friend. Next up, I'm going to go over everything you need to get started. First off, you're going to want to have car wash. You can get a big jug of this stuff for really cheap at AutoZone. It's about $6. You're also going to want a window cleaner to do the car's windows, and Armor All to do all the plastics and trimming. Another nice thing to have, but not necessarily needed, is scratch remover. This is going to help get rid of any scuffs that are on the car and make it look a lot better. You're also going to want a couple towels, a couple microfiber cloths, and at least one sponge, but I prefer to have two. So what you're going to do, you and maybe one friend are going to go house to house with all this equipment to your neighborhood. You're going to walk up to a house and say, "Hey, I'm Ace," or whatever your name is, "and this is my friend. We are cleaning cars in the neighborhood, and we're wondering if we could clean your car for $15. Now, odds are, not a lot of people are going to say yes. Me and my friend find that we get about 1 in every 6 houses, but that's fine, because it only takes you about 10 to 30 minutes to clean a car, and if it's really dirty, maybe 40, and you're making, most of the time, $20 per car. So if you could do 5 cars in a day, that's $100 a day, easy. So once you get a customer to say yes, and some things that we found that have helped them say yes is to dress nicely, look clean, but also make sure you're wearing swim trunks and you're carrying all your gear so you look like you're ready for the job. You're gonna get their car, you're gonna start by just hosing it down, then fill up a bucket of water with car wash soap and water. Put your sponges in there, wipe down the whole car with soap, hose it off again. You can just use the hose at the house of the car you're cleaning. Then go through and wipe down the whole car with your towels. Make sure you don't leave any spots. Then go back in with a microfiber cloth and some scratch remover, and make sure to get any little scuffs that are on there. You can also use some simple green to get off stuff like bird poop or bugs with a microfiber cloth. So yeah, really easy. After you do all of that, you're just gonna dry off the car one more time. Then take your Armor All spray, or sometimes you can buy, it's called SC1, I believe. It's a little more expensive, but it does a lot better job, and spray that on all the plastics and all the tires. It'll make them look super shiny and make it look like you did a lot better cleaning job than you actually did. After doing that, take your window wash and microfiber cloth and wipe down all the windows. And make sure the microfiber cloth you're using for the windows is a different one than all the other spots, so you don't accidentally scratch up anyone's window. But all of this should take you about 25-30-ish minutes, especially if you have a friend, and you're getting, most of the time, $20, so it's a really good bang for your buck job. it costed me and my friend Cash about $50 to buy everything we needed to do it. You could probably do it for cheaper because scratch remover's like $20, and you don't have to buy microfiber towels for drying off. We did just because they're a little nicer. Yeah, you really don't need to spend that much to get into this. Some things that can help you out but aren't needed are a long brush for getting the top of the cars and a wagon for pulling all your supplies. We just use an old radio flyer wagon we found for free, throw all our stuff in it and walk around. I hope this helps you guys get your dream bike before summer ends. And really, with this technique, I calculated it, if you're doing a good day, that's about $50-ish every day, you could probably make $5,000 by the end of the year, which is perfect price for a Sur-Ron, which I know is a lot of your guys' dream bikes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and remember, I respond to every single comment on this video. Also, if your dream bike or parts for it is from Electro & Co., I can get you 5% off with the code AcedBikes5 or by using the link in my bio. Make sure to have a great day, and goodbye.